Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Yes, it's the middle of July. No, I don't care. I want soup and bread because it's been raining all day today. So we're gonna make some quick bread, some chicken gnocchi soup, and we'll see where that ends us. We're starting with some warm water. Okay, I'm gonna combine some water, some yeast. Made a bit of a mess. I'm gonna let that sit until it bubbles, and while we're doing that, we'll go ahead and get the chicken on. I can't eat nightshades right now, so nothing spicy. So we're just gonna go salt, pepper, garlic. My cute little salt shaker I thrifted. Gotta clean as we go when your kitchen's little. Okay, at this point I'm a little skeptical. Alright, here we go. That feels good enough. Garlic. Okay. Ooh, you okay?
I'm good. But then I said to myself,
Yeah. Alright. We're gonna hit this with a broil. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, it's definitely cooked through, and the bottom is a little, it's gonna get overdone if I don't pull it soon. So we're gonna broil it for a minute and call that good.
"Hey, today."
Needs more salt. Yep, and the bread is done. It's okay, I made it work. Pop this out to cool. Looking good. I'm gonna add some cream cheese. I think it's lacking a little creaminess. See where that gets us.